Okay, and again, I wanted to reply to Gerald's open this discussion on AMD versus Nvidia and posted it in our Discord. So go through his comments. So he's, was talking about, a lot of people were talking about Nvidia long in the chat from yesterday. He found this article about, out with Nvidia, in with AMD. So again, you can read that article, find a link to that article in our Discord. He points out, Nvidia's expensive, near all-time highs. Well, AMD's back near its 200 EMA, and we'll look at AMD's chart in a minute. Have more room to run in the long run. Nvidia's 8% down from all-time highs and 33 down, and AMD's 33% down from all-time highs. So again, just a comment. It's a lot easier for me to reply to these in a video or in our live stream versus trying to express all these opinions writing. So I hope you don't mind that, and that I did want to have a more lengthy discussion on short-term, long-term, etc. of Nvidia versus AMD. So first, let's look at AMD just briefly in finviz. So we can see that decline from its all-time high down near support. We see this declining wedge. So AMD is definitely in decline. It's kind of somewhat disappointing earnings. They did beat in terms of EPS. It looks like they missed just a little bit on revenue, but it's more so their guidance. When are they going to start making money on AI chips? When are they going to catch up to Nvidia? Is the main thing. I think that's causing the decline in AMD. Whereas Nvidia's very high, very expensive. Now, I again don't know if you're looking to trade very short term, very swing, long term investment type of thing. So let me talk about just very short term versus mid to long term outlook on AMD versus Nvidia. Also, let's look at AMD very quickly in Chartmill. See what it has to say. So we can see the technical rating and setup are not great for AMD right now. Growth's about average. Health's about average. Profitability a little below average. Valuation's pretty negative. So it's saying it's still a bit expensive. All the charts showing us it's still got some downside. We'll also talk about some reasons I think there's more downside. I think everybody's familiar with AMD. Look at their fundamentals. So 5 out of 10. So again, pretty average, got pretty good health, decent growth, valuation's kind of poor. So again, you could go in more detail in their Chartmill profile. So the technical setup right now is only 3 out of 10, so not real positive. And the setup rating and analysis is only 4 out of 10. So again, it's telling us, it's not that great right now, either from a technical standpoint, average. It's a little bit overpriced. AMD, we know Nvidia is very high priced. So again, let me talk about the short term. Short term, Nvidia's got the AI FOMO. It's got the momentum. I guess also their earnings, I think, are coming up on the 22nd. I expect that to be a volatile event. It's also been pretty volatile. So it's pretty high. See the current P 74, so it's very expensive. Again, I wouldn't be buying, my personal opinion, Again, all this content's my personal opinion, but I wouldn't be buying Nvidia up here for any kind of long-term hold. I think it's just too expensive. Again, my personal opinion. Um, Short term, plenty of money to be made on the volatility. When it comes to their earnings, I expect Jensen Huang. I think Jensen Huang's a brilliant guy. Um, and I think he'll be able to pump up the stock with what he says out of earnings. The only downside and the risk in the earnings is if they say that the demand is their guidance on demand is slowing down. Um, Another general concept of these is semiconductors. Is semiconductors tend to be cyclical, and there's a tendency for people to double buy, etc., to stock up when the supply is low, and then the supply dries up or the demand dries up because they've already bought. And I know everyone's trying to get their hands on NVIDIA chips, buying all they can. It's been supply constrained. So at some point, they're going to have bought all that they need at this time. And so that demand will probably dry up. Then again, here's my thesis on AMD versus NVIDIA is AMD will come out with cheaper versions, get into cost, battle on cost with NVIDIA on the current generation of GPUs, AI chips, etc. You've also got some competition coming in from Google. Apple's going to do their own AI chips. Amazon has TensorFlow chips, etc. So competition's coming for the existing generation of chips, while NVIDIA is trying to come out with better, faster, etc. So again, short term, I think NVIDIA's got a big lead. I think they'll continue to benefit from that in the short term. So I think AMD, the others are going to continue to decline as they have to continue to invest to come out with these cheaper chips and then try to catch up to NVIDIA. So again, near term, I think AMD is going to continue to decline. NVIDIA is going to continue to, ride high. Longer term, however, when AMD does come out with their chips that are probably cheaper, I think we'll see a swing back up in AMD. I think they'll capture the low cost end of that market. This is the same thing they did with Intel in the 90s. So everything used to be Intel inside. AMD came out with cheaper chips. People bought the cheaper chips. So Intel went into decline. AMD had their big resurgence, uptick. And I think we'll see a very similar trend in the GPU AI type of chips. However, I think Jensen Huang, again, I think he's a real smart guy. I think he'll do well coming out with the next generation of AI chips, etc. They've also got some really good ideas with this cloud-based Omniverse thing. I listened to, I think it was their developer day, and he's got some really good ideas. My only concern in listening to him is I wonder if the customers, the business executives, understand how to benefit from the technologies that he's talking about. So again, love to hear your all comments, opinions. What do you think of NVIDIA versus AMD? How long do you think it'll take AMD to catch up, come out with cheaper chips? Do you think NVIDIA can stay ahead? Do you think it can maintain this, high PE? Can it warrant this high PE, bring this high PE down with continuously improving earnings? Also, their tendency is to beat on earnings and raise guidance. If they don't do so at their earnings, you could see a pretty severe negative reaction from the market. So I think there's a lot of risk around this earnings, but their tendency is to beat. So I wouldn't, I personally wouldn't bet against NVIDIA. I also wouldn't buy it for any kind of long term. So again, love to hear your thoughts. Ideally, reply to this discussion topic in our Discord. So again, love to hear what you all think, and we can continue to have this discussion both in our Discord and in our chats and live stream as well. So what do you think of my comments? What do you think of NVIDIA versus AMD, etc.?
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello.
BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon. If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration.
Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. and let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.